We're off to Andover, New Jersey. We're going to try Lake Aeroflex trolling for lake trout when they just stocked some salmon in there, trout apparently. So we're going to try for that. We're just going to use the canoe today. Got the trolling motor, a little bit of stuff. We're just going to run up there and give it a shot. Let's get back with you when we're, I guess, at Andover. We got to stop and get a couple things.
About an hour away. Where are we going? Which lake?
Lake Aeroflex.
Lake Aeroflex.
It's right by the Andover Sports Shop. It's like right around the corner.
We're going there first, right?
Yeah, I want to see if he's got another flick of minnow.
Okay.
I'm asking for some information too. Hopefully he points us in the right direction. Stopped at Andover, picked up a couple things, got some info. Apparently they're getting some, they got a couple of salmon last week. A couple people fishing, so that's a good sign. I think this guy might have just caught one actually. But we'll get back to you when we're out there. Okay. me hook something. Keep your tip nice and easy, Art. I was so excited. Look what we got.
Landlocked salmon, baby.
Yeah, we got a salmon. See? Look at that bad boy.
I got a salmon. Put it in the box, Daddy. Make sure you don't lose it.
All right, pal. All right, we're back from Lake Aeroflex, exit 109, back home.
Already?
Yeah, it was instant. It was like teleported here.
Yeah.
We got a landlocked salmon and 2 pickerel. And we lost another salmon.
Yeah.
So it was a pretty good day.
And if you guys say in the comments, no, that's not a salmon. I think it is a salmon.
Yeah, it's a salmon, all right.
But it has teeth.
It's good. We'll get a picture of it. We
If
have
you
a
guys
video.
know what it is, just put it in the comments. If it's not a salmon.
The GoPro battery went dead when we were reeling it in, so it was too cold out. That's why.
Yeah,
Right.
and also the SD card didn't work.
Yeah, we had some technical difficulties today.
Literally.
All right, we'll see you later.